Hello guys, welcome to YottaCube. Here I am Kavin with my next video. In my previous video, I have shown you how we can calculate top and with others dynamically using DAX in Power BI. But in most of the cases, we also want to switch the axis on the charts or values on table dynamically according to the value we select from the filters. And also we want to change the title of charts as well as pages on the report dynamically. So in this video I will show you how we can do that in Power BI using some DAX code. To do that, now let's go through Power BI. Here in this demo I have used the same file I have used in my previous video, top and dynamic top and with others. Now to change the axis as well as titles dynamically, we have to follow some steps, and to do that, first we need to create a new dynamic table named dynamic axis, which I have already done. What I have done here is I have taken the product name from product with others table and the product subcategory name from product subcategory with others table. And then I have taken the union of these two tables so that we can get all the product name as well as product subcategory name in single column, which are categorized as product and product subcategory as shown here in a new column, switch axis. Okay, we will be using this switch axis column later on in the reports as a filter to switch the axis dynamically. Okay, here we have already created the dynamic axis using the code in here. Now what we need to do is we have to create a new dynamic measure so that when we change this axis from switch axis in here, it will change the axis value dynamically and shows the total sales values of the product. Okay, and to do that, first we need to create two different measures. One is calculate the total sales made for product, okay, and next is total sales made for product subcategory. Here we have used same code as we used in our previous video for calculating the dynamic top and plus others, and the only difference here is here in this item final variable I have used the new column from the dynamic axis table, but in our previous video we have used a column specifically from product subcategory table. But here we have to calculate total sales value according to the filter we select in switch axis filter. So we will be using here axis column from the dynamic axis table. Now we need to create a new measure to switch the value according to the filter we select in switch axis. For that we need to create a new measure, dynamic total sales. And here what I have done is I have used the switch function, which is same as the switch case statement we use in other programming language. If the selected value on the switch axis is product, it will show the product dynamic sales value. Whereas if the selected value is product subcategory, it will show the product subcategory dynamic sales value in tables as well as in chart. Okay, now we have created a new calculated table named dynamic axis as well as a new measure. I will now show you how we can use these calculated things in our report. Okay, to do that I will select a chart here. In this chart we will be using a new measure we just created named dynamic total sales in the value. Okay, and in the axis here we will be using the axis column from the dynamic axis table. Yeah, now it shows top 10 product subcategory. Now if we select the product in here, it will show top 10 products. Yeah, in this video I wanted to show you changing the axis dynamically as well as titles. Okay, I have already shown you how we can change axis on the charts or on the tables dynamically. Now I have shown you how we can create a dynamic title on the page as well as visuals. Okay, to create a dynamic titles, it is also not much difficult. We just need to create some measures in here, which I have already done, but still I want to show you how we can do that by creating a new measure. To do that, I'll create a new measure named demo. Total sales by top, right? But we want to change the value here, either it is top 10 or 15 or 5 according to the value we select in filter here. Okay, so what we will do is ampersand selected value top and then again what we need is we need one space here, and then we want to select a value according to the filter we select in switch axis. If we select the product, we want to show the product, otherwise we want to see the product subcategory. So here also we'll use the same function, selected value, and then whatever the value is there in the dynamic axis, switch axis column, we want to show it here. So we'll use that column here, and that is it. Now we don't need to do anything more. Now we'll change the title of this visual dynamically. To do that, we have to go to the format pane of this visual, and then in the title and click FX, and then we select the title from here, measures demo. Okay, now it is changed, total sales by top 10 product subcategory. Okay, if I select the product only, it will show product only. If I select 15, it will show the top 15 product. Same way we can do that for title as well. To do that, we will select one visual here and drag same demo in here, and now we can use this as a title for the page. If we want to do some more modification with the dynamic title, then we can change the DAX code written in here for calculating the demo measures, like I have done in the tab here. For calculating this title, I have used DAX code which looks something like this. We can do lots of modification like this to make changes according to our requirement. This code works like this. If I select 2008 here, then the title here also changes, total sales by top 15 product subcategory for year 2008. And if I do the multiple selection here, then here it will show both the values. Likewise here also, if I change the value of filter in the switch axis, it will be changed in title as well, for both visual in here and the page title here. Also, but if I select the top 5 value, it will change in here. Like this, we can dynamically change the switch the axis in Power BI charts, as well as dynamically create the title for both visuals as well as page. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Leave your comment down to let me know how fruitful this video was to you. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel. See you again in my next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.